Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen, but I'm not cooking. Let's be real. But I can talk to you about food storage, not cooking. Here we go. I'm going to tell you some tips of how you can organize your food storage. So this is our pantry. I am obsessed with it because we have these awesome gliding shelves from Shelf Genie. Shelf Genie makes custom gliding shelves so you can use the entire depth of your pantry or cabinet and you have full accessibility into everything that you keep in there. So this is coming all the way out. It can hold 100 pounds. And then we categorize each section by type of food. So this is baking, this in there. So this is coming all the way out. It can hold 100 pounds. And then we categorize each section by type of food. So this is baking. This is Eric's area of expertise. And then we have snacks up here. This is my area of expertise. And then we have spices here. So this is where Eric gets inspiration for all of his cooking he does for our family. So I'm using different, and then we have different bins or compartments that we use to help organize things. So we like to use these OXO pop-up canisters for our snacks. Eric likes to use these canisters for flour and sugar. And then I have these Inner Design Linus bins for our oils and sweeteners. And then I have other clear bins for sweets right there. A lot of people ask me about how to store food, storage, and containers and Tupperware. And I'm of the mindset that if you have the room, store the bottoms and the lids together. A lot of people, to save space, will put all the bottoms together and then tuck the lids on the sides. I find that this is easier to grab the one thing you need with its partner and you're all set to go. So this isn't super pretty, but we can find everything really easily. We even have some mason jars in here from Melissa's cake jars. And then some plastic things, but we mostly use glass. If you need any guidance organizing your pantry or even your fridge or freezer, if you're finding that you're stocking up on a lot of food and don't know where to put it, I can absolutely help with that. I offer free virtual consultations. So you can message me on here or you can visit piecesintoplace.com and schedule a virtual consultation directly on there. I would love the opportunity to help you and your family.